Midjourney is no longer free, and as an alternative came Blue Willow, which is like Midjourney but completely free. And in this video I will teach you how to create your account and use it professionally until the end of the video. To get started, visit bluewillow.ai, link in description. Click join the free beta and follow the tutorial step by step. Now go to getting started and click verify and do what I do. Now verify, go back and click Verity again. Ready, verified. Let's start creating images. Go into a rookie and type /image prompt and what you want to be created. Wait while the AI creates your image. When you finish you will receive a notification. See that it was good. Clicking on you increase the resolution of an image, and the number is to select which one will receive an upscale. U4 will be the fourth image. After the upscale, just download the image by right-clicking on it and save image. Clicking on V you create 4 more variants of one of the images. V4 creates 4 more images similar to the fourth. I like the first one. I'm going to save it in high resolution by clicking on U1 and then downloading. Unlike Midjourney, Blue Willow can only generate square images. It cannot generate standing or lying images. To be able to generate the best images in Blue Willow, you must be as specific as possible. See the difference between a generic explanation and a very specific one when generating images. It didn't work out very well. I'll be more specific. Blue Willow really can generate fantastic images. But it's still not that good. For example, leonardoai can generate any type of image in any format, and besides, it's better than Midjourney and it's free. If you want to see a tutorial teaching how to use it, just click above.